Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to get Qwen 2.5 max version API key. So we're currently on the Qwen site. We're going to go to the top left corner and see all the versions. So Qwen 2.5 max, that's the version we're going to look into getting. Qwen 2.5 plus, and we have the other ones. So we're going to go to openrouter.ai and just type in Qwen, and we're going to be presented with all the versions and their API keys. Right now I'm going to demonstrate using the Qwen 2.5 VL72B version, which is free in this scenario. I'm going to open it, and we're going to go to the API tab and just press create API key. After that, it's going to let you sign in, and that's pretty much it, and it's going to give you the API key. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.